In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number in Splitwise. Keeping your phone number up to date is important so you don't miss notifications, password resets, or important messages from friends you share expenses with. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the Splitwise website, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Your Account. This is where Splitwise keeps your personal details and settings. Go ahead and click on Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can see information like your name, email address, and phone number. On this account settings page, you'll find an option to edit your details. Look for a button or link that says Edit. It's usually located near your personal information fields. Click on Edit, and the fields on the page should become changeable so you can update your information. Now, locate the field that contains your phone number. Click into that phone number field, delete the old number if it's still there, and carefully type in your new phone number. Take a moment to double check the number you've entered, especially the country code and all the digits. A small typo can prevent you from receiving verification codes or important alerts. Once you're confident that the new phone number is correct, look for the Save button on the page. This button applies all the changes you've made. Click on Save to update your account. After a brief moment, your settings page should refresh and you'll see your new phone number listed. That's all you need to do to update your phone number in Splitwise. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or quickly log out and log back in to confirm everything looks correct. Keeping this information current helps ensure smoother communication with your groups and fewer issues when managing shared expenses.